Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to step up your backyard burger game. I'll show you step by step from start to finish how to make the best backyard burger you've ever had, and it's coming up right now. Okay, welcome back everybody. Great to have you here. Thanks for all your support, and don't forget, if you're not following us here yet, consider hitting that button down there so you don't miss out on any of these great recipes that we're putting out. Now today, as I mentioned, we're going to be doing the perfect backyard burger. That starts with a simple but delicious burger sauce. Today's burger sauce recipe is going to start with a base of mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add some sweet relish, mustard, white vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, sugar, and El Yucateco Caribbean to really kick this up. Now we just need to give this a good mix. And there we go. Now you can make this right before your cook, or you can do this the day before and really let these flavors come together. Just get it into a sealable container and into the refrigerator to chill. Now let me show you how to build the perfect burger patty. For best results, we're going to use fresh, unfrozen beef today. Just start by placing down a piece of wax paper or parchment paper. Now most everybody has baking rings around the house, so that's what I use to build my burger patties. We're simply going to go ahead and place this right on top, and we're going to build our patty in this ring with some ground chuck. 80-20 mix. This is the best combination for burgers. So just tear your ground chuck into small pieces, then just gently pat it down into this ring. We'll just continue this process, and we're going to be building about a half-pound burger today. That is really the best size for backyard cookouts because this allows you a little bit of leeway to get those burgers either well done for some people that like them that way, or maybe more on a medium or even medium rare side for those that do not. Now, as this starts to take shape, you want to keep in mind that you don't want to press this down too hard. Just enough to form and shape the patty. This is what's going to keep this burger from bowing up in the center when it goes on the grill. We want to maintain as perfect shape as possible for presentation. Now once we have that where we want it, we're just going to gently remove this baking ring and just gently pat down these edges. And there we go, the perfect burger patty. Now let's just hit up this top side with a little bit of salt and pepper. Gently pat that in. It is now time to get this burger out on the grill. So preheat your grill to a high heat. Once your grill is preheated, we're going to go ahead and get this burger on. Allow it to cook for just a couple minutes per side, and be sure to have an Insta-Read thermometer ready so that you can pull this burger at the right temperature. Depending on your preference, you can go with something around a medium, about 135 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to well done, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit plus. As soon as you're within a couple degrees of your target temperature, go ahead and place some beautiful cheese on top to melt. I'm going with cheddar cheese today. While that cheese is melting, toast up your bun on the grill as well. Soon as that cheese is melted and that bun is toasted, it's time to build our burger. We're going to start by placing some of our burger sauce on our bottom bun, followed by some fresh, crisp leaf lettuce, our perfectly grilled burger patty, and let's not forget about all those other delicious toppings that we love. Beautiful fresh tomato, crisp red onion, pickles, more of our delicious burger sauce, and now the crown. Now before we get into this, I just want you all to know how much I love my job. Cheers, everyone. Wow is pretty much the only word that I can use to describe this. Well, maybe perfect, delicious, juicy. I guess there's a number of things I could say about it. The El Yucateco Caribbean shines in that recipe, and you'll enjoy that sauce on lots of different food items. Try it as a fry sauce, dip potato chips in it. Trust me, you're gonna absolutely love it. Thank you very much for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment below. We would really appreciate all your feedback. Kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.